How to schedule emails in Apple Mail. Step 1. Open the Mail app and tap the Compose button. Type your recipient, subject, and your message like normal. Step 2. Now, here's the key part. Instead of tapping the blue send button, tap and hold it. You'll see a few options like send later tonight, send tomorrow morning, and send later. Tap send later to pick an exact date and time you want the email to go out. Step 3. Once you choose your time, tap done, and your email is now scheduled. To view or edit it, just go to the Send Later folder under your mailboxes. You can make changes, schedule, or delete if you need it. If you are using a Mac, the steps are the same. Click the drop-down arrow beside Send, pick your date and time, and it's done. And that's how to schedule emails in Apple Mail. Perfect for sending messages at the right time without staying up late or setting reminders.